Check out the Hydrospiral Tube. They solve 3 of the biggest gardening problems. 1. Save water by bottom watering straight to the roots. Stop wasting water to evaporation. Water spirals down, seeps out, and efficiently reaches the root zone, providing excellent hydration while keeping the soil surface dry. Hydrospiral tubes stimulate deep root growth. They guide roots to grow downward instead of along the surface. Bottom watering trains roots to grow deeper. 2. The tube lets roots breathe better. It gives roots and microbes access to water and oxygen, which is important if you have clay and compact soil. This way they can breathe and multiply, making all your plants happier and stronger. 3. To have the healthiest plants, you have to have microscopic beneficial microbes and enzymes. The tube gives them air and water, and you can add vermicelli tea to increase your army of beneficial microbes. These probiotics make and store nutrients. They hold moisture in the root zone, and they protect plants from stress and disease. Not to mention, they work 24/7, conditioning your soil and improving your garden. So I live in the desert where it's super hot. Today it's going to be 110 degrees, and we've got a peach tree that was struggling. And I put in one of these hydrospiral tubes to give it better access to oxygen and water for the roots and for the microbes. And look at it now. It's produced fruit for the last 2 years, and they're sweeter and sweeter. I put one on this fig tree because it has clay soil. It's doing phenomenal. I've got enough fruit to share with all my friends and family. They're absolutely delicious and huge. The tree is happy, and I couldn't be happier. You know, if your plants aren't looking great, most likely your soil is tired or something's off balance. Whether it's pH problems, salt buildup, or soil compaction, the solution is simple. You'll have stronger trees that can better withstand heat waves, giving you happier, healthier plants and a thriving garden. Try the Hydrospiral and vermicelli tea to see happier plants today.